Expanded outdoor seating will continue at restaurants, bars, and private clubs throughout Durham. A temporary amendment to the outdoor seating provisions in the City Code of Ordinances was adopted last year in response to the COVID-19 pandemic. Because of the success of the program, the City Council has voted to permanently allow for more outdoor seating, including in the right-of-way, with limitations in all commercial zoning districts throughout the city. Businesses will be able to apply for an outdoor seating permit for up to 50% of their indoor capacity on sidewalks and on-street parking areas with limitations. Traffic barriers will be provided by the individual businesses, and nearby street-level businesses have to give their permission. A $260 application fee is required, and all applicable right-of-way closure fees will apply. More information on the application process is available at durhamnc.gov/338, and then click on the Permits and Forms link. A new carbon neutrality and renewable energy action plan will be guiding us in creating a healthier environment and better quality of life for Durham's residents. The City Council adopted the plan during its October 18th meeting. The plan calls for achieving carbon neutrality in our operations by 2040, as well as 100% renewable energy sourcing by 2050. Achieving those goals is based on 4 overarching strategies and 36 action items over the next 3 decades. The strategies include maximizing energy efficiency in our buildings and operations, expanding renewable energy generation and procurement for our use, increasing electrification of our buildings and vehicles, and establishing innovative practices and partnerships. The implementation of the plan will have an equity focus to help ensure benefits such as improved air and water quality for all residents and future generations. To find out more about our carbon and renewable energy goals, visit durhamnc.gov/822. A major road paving project will soon be underway throughout the city. The sections of roads involved are among the 192 that are currently unpaved throughout Durham, with many located in disadvantaged communities. An equity lens was applied to determine which roads should be paved first, using funds that have been set aside for the project. Starting with South Briggs Avenue, we will spend nearly $1.6 million on the project. Other construction improvements such as widening, extension of utilities, addressing drainage, or installation of curb and gutter are not included in this contract. The project will involve over 2.5 lane miles of roads and is expected to be completed in approximately 6 months. Paving these roads will improve ride quality and reduce the frequent maintenance burden associated with unpaved roads. For more information on all of our active road construction projects throughout the city, visit durhamnc.gov/509. We now have the results of the second phase of public input that will help shape the recommendations included in the Durham Transit Plan. Residents and stakeholders were asked to complete a survey that presented 3 different scenarios. One focused on providing more local and regional bus routes, a second included capital improvements to enhance bus service, and the last one included commuter rail service between Durham and Wake County. Survey participants were asked to rank components of each option. People of color, daily transit riders, and daily and weekly transit riders consistently identified later and weekend bus service, more bus frequency, and more reliable bus service as their highest priorities. Commuter rail was also seen as important, but many said that it needed to come after improvements to the local bus system. The feedback will now help shape the recommended plan, which is expected to be completed in January. More information can be found at engagedurham.com. Approximately 225 miles of sewer mains throughout the city will be cleaned and inspected in a major Sewer Outfall Inspection Program. This is preventative maintenance for Durham's approximately 1,100 miles of sanitary sewer mains and is being performed to remove grease and other debris that obstructs sewer flow. Using closed-circuit television and/or sonar sensors, crews will evaluate sanitary sewer lines that flow to the South Durham Water Reclamation Facility for cracks and breaks. Crews with the Water Management Department perform this work on sewer mains that are 12 inches or less in diameter and in easily accessible locations. Staff, however, do not have the equipment needed to clean and inspect sanitary sewer mains larger than 12 inches or those located in easement areas without paved access. Sewer mains located in high-density urban areas are also more efficiently cleaned and inspected by contractors because of the time needed to address traffic control requirements. The $3.3 million contract will span 5 years. To keep up with our water management team, be sure to follow them on Facebook and Twitter.